it's lunchtime. And I thought we'd make some lunch together because I haven't filmed anything to do with cooking for ages. So I thought we'd just make some lunch together. And this is something that I've been recommended by various people. What is that? I've just put my finger in. Some peanut butter. Thanks, Ben. Just leaving it on the side. Yeah, they recommended this. So it's some crumpets, which on no count are nothing. They're nothing, you just eat them. So I'm having some crumpets, and I'm going to have some turkey bacon, which I've never had before. Ben got me some the other day. And I might have some beans. I'm not really sure yet. And the crumpets are dipped in egg, like eggy bread, and then fried. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to get the rest of the bits together, and then we'll come back. And I'm going to go and try and stop the children being feral in the background. Bowls. Right, so I've got 2 eggs beaten in here, and I've just seasoned them with a bit of salt and pepper. I've got a pan on, and I forgot that on no count you're allowed a little bit of oil. I think you're allowed 2 tablespoons a day, which is cray cray. But I've just done like 3 sprays of this vegetable oil. I've got my turkey rashers here, which they don't look particularly appetizing, but they're supposed to be nice. So I'm going to cook them as well. And then I've got my crumpets, so I'm just going to dunk them how I do eggy bread. I just dunk that and give them a squish. Like you see the eggs starting to come up the other side. Like that. I think I'm going to have 3 because I'm not having my dinner till later. So I'm going to get another one and put that in as well. It just kind of acts like a sponge and just sucks up all the egg. I haven't made these before. I've just kind of looked at lots of other people's who have made them, and they look so good. And I love crumpets so much. Probably only needed 1 egg for 3, to be fair. Are you hot yet? That feels quite hot. So now I'm gonna put these in. Like that. I've got it on quite a high heat. I've got it on 7, and it only goes up to 9, so I've got it quite high. I'm going to chuck in some turkey bacon as well. I've also got a pot of beans because these are 0 on no count. And I'm gonna spike my beans with a little bit of ketchup. I'll see how much ketchup I can have. For what points, because I'm trying to do no points whatsoever because I didn't have the best weekend. Can't I do this? So I'll look at that in a second. It smells quite good. I'm just gonna chuck it in, see what happens. How long does it say to cook? Pan fry, 1.5 to 2 minutes, turning occasionally. So I'm just going to do a couple of slices of this. I'm going to check these. Let's have a look. So ketchup. I can have 1 teaspoon of ketchup for 0 points, so I'm going to track that. And then all I do is literally put salt and pepper, not salt, pepper in these and ketchup and mix it up and then cook it, and it's mega. Smells good. I don't know how much of that just filmed, but I've got one turkey thing done. I've just flipped the crumpets. I do want them to go crispy though, so, because I can't be doing with soggy crumpets. I want them to be nice and crispy, so we'll see. Fingers crossed. Alright, this is my lunch. I decided against 3 crumpets. I did cook another one, but I'm not going to eat it because it looks quite a lot. So I've got beans, which is 0. Crumpets and eggs and turkey rashers. So I'm going to eat it now and see what it's like, and I will let you know if they're as good as the hype. That lunch was amazing. It was so good. Crumpets in egg and then just fried in the pan, dipped in beans. Yes, I don't like egg and beans together. My egg and beans can't ever touch, and I don't ever have them in the same mouthful, but I thought I'd try it. It was so good. I'm a little bit sad now it's finished. So I'm gonna have an apple to stop me from eating that other crumpet over there, because I really want to, because it was so good. So I'm gonna have a pint of water and an apple. It was so yummy. Yes, try it.